see my daddy for the first time ever on July 14th.
Make a move and the bunny gets it.
Let's take him out, Larkin.
Not yet! Fire!
God damn it, the light!
Cease fire! Get up here!
What are we waiting for?
That is my plane! You got it, Agent Malloy? You with me? Or do you need me to draw it in crayon, like usual?
I got a bad feeling, son. I'm feeling like maybe I'm not supposed to make it.
You're gonna make it.
Cyrus Grissom, this is Special Agent Vince Larkin. We will shoot the plane down if you do not respond now.
All I can think about is like, there ain't no God. Like, he don't exist. Hey, where you going?
I'm gonna show you God does exist.
Fire! Malloy, you son of a bitch! Cease fire! Freeze, little bitch boy!
Switch to missile!
Roger that, too. Arming missiles.
Malloy, don't you do it! Get in his way!
What the hell are you doing, Larkin?
I got no move, sir.
Stupid bastard!
Land this thing!
Where the hell is the virus?
I'm the new captain. Put this thing down.
Target locked, sir.
Oh, yeah! Don't you do it! Don't shoot!
Don't fire.
Who is this? Identify yourself!
This is Cameron Poe.
Yes!
I repeat, target is locked, sir.
Malloy, he's got the plane!
We're not over civilian population. Now's the time, sir.
Don't fire.
Malloy, listen to him! He's a friend! He's just trying to get home to see his wife and kid! Don't fire!
And now's the time, sir.
Hold fire.
Sir?
I said hold fire!